This is a Candy tumble dryer. It's a model GOV 580C. It wasn't working properly. The circuit board control module is completely dead. It's not worth fixing. But I'd be interested to see how many bricks it can turn. So let's load it up. Didn't like that. So I've switched it off. The motor was still turning, so it must have been the belt was slipping, so it's just too much load. So let's empty it out again and start again. It's very hard on the ears. So what have we learned from this little experiment? About 6 bricks over here and about five about 4 full bricks inside. 1 brick over there. 6 and 4, 10, 11 or 12 bricks in total was too much for it to turn, but it'll quite happily trundle all day with that many bricks, 4 bricks or so, and it just keeps pulverizing them. So let's have a close-up look at it. So then, looking inside, what's happening to it? Well, it's getting really badly scraped. Each time a brick falls, it puts a dent into the metalwork inside, and that was smooth. The paddles are really all that's doing the work. So the paddles are lifting the bricks. There's 2 paddles, one on the top and one on the bottom at the moment. The paddles are lifting the bricks and just letting them drop again. And it's completely different to a washing machine destruction video, because with a washing machine destruction video, the machine spins so fast that the bricks stay wherever they landed within the machine. They tend not to fall, and they tend not to fall out. We saw a couple of bricks fell out there when I was doing this, and that's because they just bounce out because it's not going fast enough. How's the filter looking? It's still okay. It's got a bit of a scrape along the edge there. The plastic there along this front has all been chipped off. There was a beam of plastic along there. Bearings are probably okay actually, but probably a little bit battered. The machine's got to go for scrap now because it's so badly damaged. I could keep the door and hinge. They're alright. What do you think? Is there any way to make it better? Someone suggested putting a washing machine motor on this machine, but there's a lot of work involved in doing that. And I don't know that there would be much more of a response. The machine isn't really able to take it. The bearings probably wouldn't be able to take the heat, but maybe that in itself would be an experiment. Trying to fit one motor to another machine is a bit of work, so it's not something I'm going to attempt, I don't think. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, pass a comment on, send it on to a friend. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching.